Luke here at the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, and I'm deep in the heart of the Alaskan wilderness. And for the next 4 days, I'm building my shelters, camping, catching my dinner, exploring glaciers, and having a great time. Come along for the ride. It's gonna be a great video. Well, there goes my ride. Well, I'm gonna leave the kayak here and go look for a campsite. I think the first thing I'm going to do is explore a little bit. Well, there's plenty of wood. Looks like a coyote's been walking up and down this beach. Keep finding tons of these little skeletons. They feel really light, like they belong to a bird. Little sea urchin. It's a fish jaw. Look at all those teeth. That's the top half of a beaver jaw.